Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Chad's Budget Corner, where we don't like cheap stuff, we like good stuff cheap. So today, working on the YouTube channel, working on the studio back here, trying to spruce things up a little bit. And what did I find at Walmart, you ask? I knew you were going to ask me that. Bam! Check it out, 15 bucks, guys, $15. Who can beat 15 bucks? Whoever doesn't just have $15 that they're just saying, I wish I had an LED marquee in my life that I could just put some words on it and set it back here in the corner and it'll light up. Man, this thing's cool. I haven't opened it up yet, but I want to, and we're going to do it together. So this thing's got all kinds of neat things. It's got some emojis. It's got all your numbers. It's got all your letters. We're going to check it out, man, see what it does. This thing's supposed to light up in different colors, remote control. I mean, why wouldn't you want one? What are you doing here? What kind of person are you if you don't want one of these? I don't even want to know you. But hey, if you guys are here and you like the content, please take a minute. I'll wait. Go ahead and subscribe and then hit the bell notification so that you get all my incoming newer videos. So check it out. I'll wait. No, I mean, seriously, go ahead. Pause the video. Go down there and hit subscribe. All right, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Bam. All right, cool. So check this out. We're going to unbox this thing, check it out, put some letters in it, turn it on, and see what happens. All right? Be right back. Okay, here we go. Getting ready to unbox this thing. Does say it's got 144 pieces, so it's got the full alphabet. Some symbols, numbers, and emojis. Pretty cool. It's USB powered, so I'm assuming there's got to be a USB cable inside, or you can use AA batteries. We don't know how many just yet, but we'll find out. So let's open this thing up. Oh, there's a bunch of the different emojis that you can put on there. That might be kind of fun. A little picture of the remote. So let's just go ahead and get to unboxing. So there it is. Oh, we got some stuff inside. Okay, we'll chuck the box. There's our standard run-of-the-mill, inexpensive little remote. I've got this remote for some of my fish tank lights out there, which are kind of cool. So we already know how to use that. There's a really long USB cable. So I might actually not have to use batteries. I think I might be able to run this to one of my USB banks that I've got, because batteries are expensive. A little warranty. Or nope, that's just the user manual. So, well, we don't need that. Who uses user manuals? And then this looks like we've got all of our letters and numbers and emojis in here. And obviously, this is the little box. This is the marquee box. So it's wrapped in plastic, which is really nice of them to do. I don't see, oh, there's the on-off switch right here on the side, and the plug for the USB. So kind of neat. So let me go ahead and get this plastic off of here, and we'll get it set up with what we're going to, and we'll check out how it works and if it's worth 15 bucks. All right, well, we got it all set up, and I think this thing's cool as shit. Check it out. You can change the colors. Okay. See, we got a couple of emojis on there. This thing comes with a ton of emojis, guys. It even has the poop emoji, which I think is really cool. But here's the remote that I'm using. And like I said, it's got all kinds of different colors to choose from. And you can turn the brightness up, you can turn it down, whatever you want. I think you can do, yep, so you got some little flashing going on there. Got kind of a fade going. It's pretty neat. I'm not real sure what that does. Or that. I think you can just turn it. Oh. But yeah, I think it's really pretty cool. Then, of course, you can just go ahead and, I guess you can't just shut it off from the remote. But yeah, man, I think this thing's really pretty neat. I'm trying it for the first time with you guys, so that's why I'm not as knowledgeable as I probably should have been with all the little features. But man, I think it's pretty cool, and I think it's going to be an awesome part of the YouTube studio back here. So I'm going to go ahead and reset up the camera, and we'll tell you my thoughts, even though you already know them. I love it, man. 15 bucks. I couldn't be happier with it, to be honest with you. There it is. Chad's Budget Corner. We got a couple little smiley faces and a little camera guy down there in the back, which is really cool, man. I just love it. All the emojis this thing comes with are really neat. You got Christmas trees. Like I said, you got the poop emoji. Who doesn't want a poop emoji in their life? So I went ahead and stuck all the little extra letters and stuff back in there. Now, I will let you know, as far as letters go, you get 2 of each letter, okay? So you get 2 A's, 2 B's, 2 C's, and so forth. You get a couple of each number. I believe I didn't really look at the numbers very well. So if you know what you're going to say, and you've got more than 2 of the same letter, I mean, you know, figure it out. But 15 bucks, it's cool. I like it. I dig it. It's neat. So it's cool and it's neat, and it's 15 bucks. And get it at your local Walmart store. Who doesn't love Walmart? Pajamas and all. So, check it out. Please like, share, subscribe. I do appreciate any comments that you guys want to leave. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what I can do to improve the experience. If you've made it this far into the video, I really appreciate it. And a little bonus for you if you subscribe. Later on today, I do have a very good informative video about Amazon and how they're not always on the up and up. So be sure to check that one out, because that one's a little eye-opening. So pay attention. Have a great day, guys. I'm out. See you. Bye.